The foundation of our digestive wellness program is the proprietary DigestZen Digestive Blend. During the first month of the program, you'll receive both DigestZen Soft Gels and DigestZen Touch. With DigestZen Touch, the beloved blend of peppermint, coriander, ginger, caraway, cardamom, fennel, and anise essential oils provides a calming aroma and can enhance an abdominal massage. You can reduce gas and occasionally indigestion, soothe the stomach, and support a healthy gastrointestinal system with DigestZen Soft Gels. In your first month of the program, you'll also receive peppermint and DigestZen Terrazyme. It's no surprise peppermint is one of the most popular doTERRA products. Many have come to love its energizing scent and refreshing taste. But did you know it can also promote digestive health when taken internally? Human clinical and experimental research suggests peppermint may ease and relax the gastrointestinal muscles and reduce other acute digestive difficulties when ingested. DigestZen Terrazyme is a convenient supplement that includes a variety of whole food enzymes. These enzymes can aid in the digestion of proteins, fats, complex carbohydrates, sugars, and fiber. The digestive enzymes also support the body's constant production of enzymes, so it can continue functioning optimally. The first kit also includes a doTERRA pill case as an exclusive gift.